In this video we're going to build a cubby house, an ice cream shop, a sandcastle and a playground. So let's get building! To build the cubby house we need the green base plate. Now let's get this white rectangle block and place it on the left at the back there. This piece will support the slide. Let's place it next to the block here. Now let's get the slide and attach it. Let's make this cubby house really colourful. We're going to use a mauve block and then another one, and then we're going to get the colour blue and then place it on top of the mauve blocks, and another blue block. Now let's get the colour lime and we're going to place it on top of the blue blocks. Now let's get the colour yellow and place it on top. Now we're ready for our door for our cubby. Let's place it on top of the yellow block. To keep the cubby dry, we need a roof. Let's use these orange blocks to support the roof, and the red triangle piece as the roof. That's it. That's our cubby house complete. Well done! Let's decorate it by adding a flower at the bottom. To build the ice cream shop we need a yellow block and then another one, and to join the two together we need this blue rectangle block. For the walls we're going to use these blue tall blocks and place one on the left hand side and then the other on the right hand side. To support the roof we need a beam. We're going to use this white rectangle piece. For our roof we're going to use these blocks that have a curve at the end of them. We have a blue one and then a yellow one. Let's place that in the middle, and then another blue one and place it on the left hand side. To finish the roof let's use this light blue piece. To make a table we need a base and a tabletop. For the base let's use this yellow square piece, and for the tabletop let's use this blue rectangle piece. And that's our table. Let's use this container to put the ice cream in. And we can use this block to be the seat at the table. And look, the girl's going to sit at the table and eat her ice cream. To build the sandcastle, we need these pieces with the curve on the bottom. Let's place them down right next to each other. To join the two together, we're going to use this yellow arch block. On top of the arch, we're going to place the blue rectangle piece. And to finish off, we're going to use this piece that looks like a cone or a witch's hat. Place a block there, and then this boy is going to carry the shovel. To build the playground, we're going to start off with the tower. We're going to use two rectangled red pieces as the base. And then we're going to join them together with the red rectangled block. Now using two white blocks we're going to place them on top. Now using two red blocks we're going to place it on top. And can you see the pattern? What would the next colour be? White, yeah. And then red. This pattern is called a stripy pattern. To support the roof of the tower, we need two poles, one on the left hand side and one on the right hand side. Now let's reinforce it with this blue block at the back there. Now let's get our roof piece and place it on top. And that's our tower finished. To build our slide, we need this blue rectangle piece and two square orange pieces and place them on top. Now adding another blue rectangle piece and getting the block with number 1 on it. Now we can attach our slide at the end. That's it, and that's our slide finished. Now we're going to add some stepping stones in our playground. We can just zigzag the blocks just like that. Now the boy can come and play with the playground. That's it for this episode. Thanks for building with me.